How's it going, guys? My name is Frank. Thank you for turning into my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to change your air filter. Yes, I will teach you how to change your old junk air filter with a racing one. So let's do it. Okay, so this is the box that we are going to be changing. We will change this old big box with a brand new filter, a racing one. So those are the tools. I'm sorry, my brother is playing with the tools. So basically we are going to need those tools: a 10mm wrench, a screwdriver. Yes, it will be enough. So let's start disassembling the old one. So with the 10mm wrench, you need to disassemble the old filter, starting with this bolt. When it's done, make sure that you put your bolts in somewhere safe. Then there is another one here. They might be tight, so maybe you need extra time to unbolt them. Okay, another one is out. Okay, so open the old junk box. Take the cover off. Okay, so after unbolting the first bolt, you'll be able to take out this part. So this part is out. We can put here on side. So the next thing we are going to do is to disassemble our MEF sensor, MEF airflow. So to do that, you will need to use your screwdriver, and there are two bolts here. This one and another one, and there is the switch that you need to disconnect. So first, let's disconnect the switch. So the switch is out. Now we're going to be able to unscrew the two bolts. Okay, first one is out. Okay, maybe we are going to change our rules. Maybe we can try to disassemble the whole structure here. Then we will try to take out the MEF sensor, because we will have more space to do that. So let's disconnect this tube right here. It's coming from this sensor down here, the 10mm wrench, and start unbolting it. Okay, so this one is loose. Now we can unbolt the other one. Yes, the other one is loose now. So before, you need to take off the returning line. Okay, the returning line is off. Now the filter doesn't have nothing holding it, so now try to pull it off. Yeah, that's it. You will need also to unplug the switch. Yeah, the switch is off. And this tube right here, you still have a tube right here. Yes, all hoses are off. Now you can take the roller sander off. Without doing anything else, we need to clean a bit here. It's really dirty. Just drop some water to help out cleaning. so the area is better than it was. So now let's bring the new assembly on. So this is the new assembly that we are going to put in. I think this will go on like this, so it will stay like this. So now we have to clean it up, and I don't know if this MAF sensor is good, but I will prefer to put the old one here since this is a used part. So as the old one was working, I will keep that one. So let's do it. So since we got the MAF sensor out, we will have to clean this out. I will use brake cleaner to remove the excess dirt. It will help out. Okay, so now we are going to take the old MAF sensor and we are going to install it back into the new one. Let's do it. Okay, so I just took off the MAF sensor, so it will be here like this. So let me screw that and I will show you back. Okay, so now we have the MAF airflow sensor installed, so it's time to put it here in the car. So in order to mount it, you will have yes, this is the right position, so it will be installed like this. Okay, so first you need to, okay, now it's in. I may have to unbolt this to make the job easier. Okay, so now everything is in position. So make sure that you put the tube in an angle that will be easy to mount the air filter, and to make sure that the tube will not be stressed. So put in an angle that the air filter will be in a comfort position. Let's say that. So next, what you will have to do is to plug back the return line to the engine. So you need to make sure that you try this wrench and just plug it back. Okay, now we have the tube, the returning line back in place safely. So make sure you put back the locker on. Now we are going to plug in back the cable of the MAF airflow sensor. Yes. Now the MAF airflow sensor is back. Now let's just take the filter.
Agora.
And the filter will be inserted and will be just like this. Okay, good. Now we have everything bolted up. So now let's start the engine and see how it sounds. Okay. Let's see if it's on neutral. Running perfectly. Yes. that's it, guys. Thank you once again for tuning into my channel. If you like the video, please thumbs up and please subscribe. Okay, see you next time. Cheers.